Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new Dji Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. Now let's see what they have mentioned on the box. Look at the MRPR's $490. Now let's open the box and check it out. Nice. There is a box called Accessories. This one is the camera. Or code for installing Dji app. DJI sticker. Now let's open the accessories box. C-type cable for data transfer and charging. Camera case, tightening screw, helmet mount. This is used as a washer for tightening the helmet mounts. This is the battery. $1950 mAh. This is the camera's case. This is the Dji Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. Let's open the lens cover. Beautiful. This is the charging port. C-type. This is the area where we attach the magnetic holder. This is the battery and memory card compartment. Here, memory card, and there is the battery. We have to use V30 memory card for better results. This is how we insert the battery and memory card. Make sure you close the cover properly. Red color must not be visible. Now let's power on the camera by pressing this power button. I will show you the functions of the camera on my coming videos.